So it's summertime, and summertime means grill time. Grill time means barbecue sauce. So today at 41 Garage, we got some barbecue sauce, and not just one recipe.
Not just two, but three.
So yeah, that's right. Today we have 3 recipes we're gonna show you today. Each of us went on the internet, picked out a recipe. Kyle, what kind of recipe did you do?
I did a jalapeno recipe.
And Ryan?
I got a sweet and spicy recipe.
And I did a basic Texas barbecue sauce. So we're gonna get the ingredients out, show you how we did it, and have some fun doing it.
So making sweet and spicy barbecue, first step is to melt down the butter at a medium heat. I gotta char this jalapeno for about 2 minutes while the butter's cooking. Here we are adding half a cup of brown sugar to the butter, and then we're gonna let it boil for about 5 minutes. Doing the boil. So I'm gonna blend up the charred jalapeno along with the tomatoes. So now that we blended that stuff up, we're just gonna slowly add in the rest of the ingredients to the mixture. So we got the Worcestershire sauce, and then we got half a cup of apple cider vinegar, onion powder, some garlic powder, some cumin, yeah, ground mustard, a little bit of salt, some ground cayenne pepper. That's all in there. All we gotta do now is mix it all up. We got the blend done. We're just gonna add it to this. Occasionally stir it while it's simmering for half an hour.
Okay, Ryan's got his sauce going on the oven. Got about 20 more minutes maybe on it, letting it simmer. So Kyle's gonna get started on his. Kyle, what kind of sauce did you come up with?
Yeah, I was in charge of finding the spicy sauce, so I went with jalapeno, and I didn't want to make it too hot, so maybe if it's not hot enough, we can come back with some hotter peppers next time and make it a little bit more spicy.
Awesome.
All right, so we're gonna start off with a cup of ketchup. Just pour that in there. And then we got 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And then a 1/4 cup of diced jalapenos. Then a tablespoon of molasses. Then half a tablespoon of the hard to say W sauce, the Worcestershire or whatever. Then a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke right here. And a garlic powder and salt mix with half a teaspoon of each. Now we're coming over to the oven, and we're gonna do medium to high heat until it comes to a boil, stirring frequently.
Okay, so Kyle and Ryan got theirs on the oven and pretty much finished up actually. So now it's my turn. I have just a basic Texas barbecue sauce, nothing major. So let's get it going and have some food. Okay, so we're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of butter. I'll fire up the stove here, get this warmed up, and we're gonna add about a half a chopped red onion. Gonna let that simmer for a few minutes and then we'll add some more ingredients. Okay, so now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of garlic. Let this heat up for about 2 minutes and then we'll get some more. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes now. I need to add the remainder of my ingredients, which is a cup of ketchup, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We're going to add a heaping spoon of tomato paste. Some more Chester sauce. We're going to add about a tablespoon of that, a tablespoon of mustard, and finally a teaspoon of chili powder. Now, here's the fun part. We get to sit here and mix it for about 15 minutes or get it to the consistency you like it, and then it's ready to serve. So we'll be back in a bit. Okay, so the sauces are done. We're about to try them out here. We're going to start with Ryan's first. Ryan, what was yours again?
It was sweet and spicy, a little bit of jalapeno.
Okay, so let's give her a try. That's good. I like that. What do you guys think?
A lot better than I thought it would be.
A lot spicier than I thought it would be.
Yeah. What about you, Ryan? Spice-wise, did it turn out how you thought it would be?
A little underwhelming.
Okay, cool. It's very good though. So that's very good. Ryan was the first one to go. So now let's move on to Kyle here. Tell us about yours again, real quick.
Yeah, so mine's just jalapeno. I just did spicy. So hopefully it's as spicy as I'd like. Maybe we can do habaneros or something if it's not spicy enough.
Okay, cool. Let's give her a shot. Go ahead, Brian. What do you think of that?
I like the flavor a lot.
Well, that's got a really good flavor.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I just think I might have to throw like some ghost peppers in there or something to make it super hot.
I'll be passing on that one. So finally, the king of all barbecue sauces. Okay, really, it's just a basic Texas sauce, so nothing special, but it should be good. It's a mild between these two, so let's give it a shot. Go ahead, guys.
You're not going first?
Well, I will. You don't think it's good? You don't want to try it?
It kind of scares me that the cook doesn't want to go first.
I like it.
Yep.
Not just because I made it. I like it. I really do. So
It's not bad.
So, all right. Well, we're gonna post the recipes for each of these in the description below. If you want to try one, let's do a little contest. Put a comment below which one is your favorite that you saw us make. So, and if you try one, let us know if you like it. So, I guess that's all we got for now. Anything else you guys want to say? Other than you're just ready to chow down?
Shout out to the lawnmower lady. You know who you are. That's all I got.
All right, that's perfect ending. So we'll see you guys.